Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to Jest World. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. We really appreciate as the Jest World family. Today we are making a pizza dough. Welcome. In 100 grams of water, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have added sugar in the yeast mixture because it helps in accelerating the yeast activation process. Stir the mixture thoroughly and leave it to rest for 5 minutes until you see some bubbles, or rather the yeast mixture bubbling. I know you've noticed I have put something in the wheat flour, so in 3.5 cups of wheat flour, add half a teaspoon of salt. It is optional, but when you decide to add it, mix it thoroughly with the flour. I am creating a well in between where I will add the yeast mixture after it's fully activated. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use any other type of oil, you are not limited. 5 minutes later, the yeast mixture is fully activated and it is fully bubbled up. So I am adding it little by little in the well that I created. I put a little bit too much, but well, there's no problem. Mix thoroughly with a wooden spoon, as usual, to avoid messy hands. More flour to dry it, or rather to achieve the face because it's time to knead my dough on the knead until the dough is less sticky in your hands, and it's now, because it's a pizza dough, tuck it in to the base and form a ball shape. And how to check if it's ready? You poke with your finger and it should come right up. That's how you know your dough is ready. Continue tucking it in and to the base to ensure that it's a perfect ball. Now oil your bowl where you will place it. I'm so sorry, I forgot to oil my dough too. You're supposed to oil it so that it may not stick on the cling film after rising, or even on the bowl after rising. Cover it tightly and ensure that no air will enter inside the bowl. So it's better to cover it with a cling film. Now, as you can see, because I forgot to oil the upper surface of the dough, it's stuck on the cling film. Please try and remember that step to avoid such encounters. But it's still good. Now the dough was quite a lot, so I decided to make 2 pizzas, one small and one large sized pizza. And that's how you make a pizza dough. Very easy if you follow the steps. And as you can see, the crust is golden brown and oh, it was very soft. Thanks for watching my video. See you on the next. Bye.